Today, I'm bringing you the jailbreak video you've all been waiting for. So as you can see, I'm currently on iOS 18.3.1 right now. Follow me, and I'm going to show you exactly how to jailbreak it. Now, go and open Safari, and you need to visit Unc0ver.vip. O is a 0, so don't forget that. Here, you need to press Jailbreak, and this will download a profile. On the pop-up, you need to click Allow, and then go back to Settings. See Profile downloaded? Press Install, enter your passcode if you have one, then Install, and then Done. Now go to the home screen, and you should see the Unc0ver app. Here click Jailbreak, and now, as you can see guys, it is just jailbreaking my device. On this screen, please wait a couple of seconds for the jailbreak process to take place. Here we're going to press Continue, and what this will do is basically restart the device with Cydia. As you can see now, the phone has been restarted, so let's get in. And we did get the app right here, so be sure to try this out for yourself. Get the word out, because this is super cool. Let's search for something. I found a really cool tweak called Glyph that can change app icons, so let me install it. The installation is very quick. Now let's press Done and check if it installed successfully. Yes, it's fully installed. I hope you enjoyed this. If it worked for you, be sure to share it, and don't forget to subscribe.